Okay, first thing you want to do when repairing a bag is make sure that the valve is nice and clean. So if you look around the bottom of the valve at the stem, make sure it's all black around where our sealing seam is. And then secondly, what you want to do is make sure that you've wet your valve, okay, the head of the valve, and you put it on top like that. And then what we're going to do is pump the air out. My wonderful assistant here in orange. Maintain. Good.
We forgot the breather mesh again.
Oh shit. Here we go. And remember to put breather mesh on it. It's a big deal. Because the whole process won't work unless you do that. And you would think that we would know that, but
no, apparently not.
Guess what? We don't. So here we go. Just enough space to put his little hand in there. Seal it up. Make sure you don't have any air gaps. Okay. Find the pump. This is a pretty heavy use bag, so we'll probably find more than one hole in it. But you never know. Okay, and it should be pretty tight at the seam. You can see that all the air's out of it. And then Ryan's going to start to spray with the spray bottle. And it doesn't really take that much water because wherever there's a leak, the water's going to penetrate in, and we're going to see a wet spot on the cardboard. So far, so good. Nothing? Okay, so we're going to grab a couple foam blocks over there, put down. We'll flip this thing over so that the valve is good. And there's where our leaks from the other bags are, so got to remember that. Okay, and if we have a look, I would say there's where our leak is right there, and we're losing vacuum, so we found the one spot where this bag has a nice, good sized leak in it. And that's about it. All you have to do is dry it off, pull the cardboard out, put tape on it. Clear packing tape works pretty well. And you're ready to do your next prep.
See side here.
Okay.